General overview and trend. Richtech Robotics has exhibited extraordinary volatility over the past 3 months, starting near 231 in late May and experiencing a dramatic surge to 388 in late August. The stock currently trades at 331 as of August 27, representing a decline of approximately 15% from its recent peak. The overall trend has been exceptionally bullish with parabolic characteristics, though recent price action suggests a potential short-term consolidation phase. The stock has shown extreme sensitivity to market sentiment and speculative trading, with massive volume spikes during the August surge indicating intense trading interest. The current pullback appears to be a natural consolidation after the explosive rally, with the stock maintaining significantly elevated levels above all key moving averages. Price and volume. Volume patterns reveal extraordinary market participation during the price surge. Notable volume spikes include 95.9 million shares on August 26 when the stock reached 315, and 125.1 million shares on August 27 during the pullback to 331. These figures dramatically exceed the typical daily volume of 3 to 8 million shares seen earlier in the period, indicating a fundamental shift in market dynamics. The on-balance volume indicator at 563.2 million shows massive accumulation during the rally, with recent distribution at elevated levels. Price action reveals a parabolic advance from 182 in early August to 388 in late August, followed by a sharp but controlled pullback. The stock remains significantly above all moving averages despite the recent decline, demonstrating the strength of the underlying uptrend. Moving averages. The moving average structure confirms the extreme bullish momentum. Short-term averages, 5-day SMA at 258, 5-day EMA at 277, trade significantly below the current price, reflecting the magnitude of the recent surge. Medium-term averages, 20-day SMA at 215, 20-day EMA at 228, also sit well below current levels, highlighting the strength of the intermediate uptrend. Longer-term averages, 50-day SMA at 202, 200-day SMA at 200, remain far below the current price, emphasizing the parabolic nature of the advance. The exponential moving averages are positioned above their simple counterparts, reflecting recent price strength. The extreme divergence between current price and all moving averages suggests the stock is in a speculative momentum phase with high volatility potential. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators show extremely overbought conditions with potential divergence. The RSI 14 at 81.21 indicates severely overbought levels, though it has moderated from the extreme readings above 90 seen during the peak. MACD shows strong positive momentum at 0.21 with a histogram at 0.12, suggesting weakening but still bullish momentum. Stochastics, 15-period K at 66.64, D at 56.88, remain elevated but show early signs of downward divergence. The Commodity Channel Index at 344.88 reflects extreme overbought conditions. Volatility indicators show expanding Bollinger Bands, upper band 294, middle band 215, lower band 137, suggesting exceptional volatility potential. The parabolic SAR at 208 acts as distant support below current price. Money Flow Index at 93.58 indicates extreme buying pressure, while the ADX at 28.08 confirms a strong trend. The Williams percent R at -27.54 shows overbought conditions. Linear regression. Linear regression analysis over the past 30 days reveals an explosive upward trajectory with the price trading far above the regression line. The slope of the regression line indicates an unsustainable rate of ascent, while the current position well above the line suggests speculative excess. The regression channel boundaries show the stock moving outside normal statistical parameters, characteristic of parabolic advances. The recent pullback has brought the price closer to the upper regression channel, but it remains significantly above the regression line, indicating the trend remains extremely bullish but vulnerable to correction. Opening price prediction for next trading day. Based on current technical structure, the opening price for the next trading day is projected between 320 and 340. This considers the volatile close at 331, the extreme overbought conditions, and the potential for continued speculative interest. The overnight futures market and pre-market sentiment will be particularly influential given the stock sensitivity to short-term trading dynamics. The technical setup favors a volatile opening with potential for sharp intraday swings in either direction. Support and resistance analysis. Critical support levels emerge at 304, August 27th low, 257, August 25th low, and 238, August 11th high. The current price at 331 sits approximately 0.27 points above immediate support. Resistance levels are positioned at 350, psychological level, 388, recent high, and 400, psychological target. The distance to nearest resistance is approximately 0.19 points, creating a relatively balanced risk-reward profile. Intraday movement patterns will likely feature extreme volatility with potential for rapid swings between support and resistance levels. The stock may experience sharp spikes followed by quick reversals as traders take profits and reposition. Possible high and low values based on ATR 14, the average true range stands at 0.27, indicating exceptional volatility relative to price. Based on this, the possible high for the next trading day is calculated as 358, while the possible low is 304. However, given the parabolic nature of the advance and extreme overbought conditions, the actual range could significantly exceed these projections. A more probable intraday range would be between 310 and 350, with potential for extended moves beyond these levels if momentum accelerates in either direction. Possible scenarios. The primary scenario involves continued extreme volatility with the stock testing both support at 304 and resistance at 350 within the same session. This would be characterized by high volume and sharp price swings as speculative traders battle for control. The alternative scenario features a breakdown below 304 support, leading to a deeper correction toward 257, fueled by profit-taking and long liquidation. This would require increasing volume and negative momentum divergences. A third scenario involves a resumption of the uptrend with a breakout above 350, potentially challenging the 388 high if speculative buying returns. The technical indicators suggest high probability of continued volatility with slight bias toward downside correction given extreme overbought readings. Conclusion. Richtech Robotics remains in an extremely volatile speculative phase following its parabolic rally in August. The technical structure suggests the stock is in a momentum-driven condition with exceptional risk of sharp price movements in either direction. Key support levels at 304 and 257 are critical for the bulls to defend, while resistance at 350 and 388 must be overcome to confirm renewed upside momentum. The extreme overbought conditions across all indicators suggest high probability of further consolidation or correction, though the speculative nature of the advance makes prediction particularly challenging. Investors should approach this stock with extreme caution, recognizing that traditional technical analysis may be less reliable during such parabolic moves. The current risk-reward profile is unfavorable for new long positions at current levels, with significant potential for sharp declines if speculative interest wanes. Only traders with high risk tolerance and short time horizons should consider involvement, with strict stop-loss orders essential given the exceptional volatility.